Hi everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and today I'm doing something really special. I'm going to trade my Falcon 2 22 watt diode laser engraver for a wooden cutting board, but not just any wooden cutting board. This one is made by Baron Rouge, a very talented woodworker here in the Netherlands. His real name is Robert and, well, he's a real artist. Robert makes beautiful cutting boards. He chooses the wood with care and he knows all about the types of wood, and you can really feel his passion in everything he makes. Right now, most of his customers are in the Netherlands, but I believe it won't take long before people from all over the world will want his cutting boards. They are unique pieces of kitchen art. Robert uses many great tools to shape the wood, but for engraving his logo into the boards, he uses a very small 5-watt diode laser. It works, but it's a bit limited. After meeting Robert a few times at birthday parties for one of my kids, I had an idea. I have this Creality Falcon 2 22-watt diode laser engraver that I got from Creality for review purposes, and well, I'm not using it at this moment anymore, so why not give it to him? So now we are at the northern part of the Netherlands, and there we are going to trade the Creality Falcon 2 laser for a wooden cutting board.
Hello,
How you doing?
welcome.
Yeah, okay. The cat's looking already.
Yeah. Come in.
This is your new laser.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Love it already.
it is. So here is a box with all the things that we are going to need.
Oh, extras.
Like, for example,
Power supply.
the power supply. I can't see it. Yeah, there it is.
With my usual laser, when I do auto home, it
Yeah.
sometimes grinds against the walls. Does this one have a safety for it?
This one has a safety.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Because it sounds like it's grinding its gears. So I can keep it on auto home.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, no problem. But we are going to adjust some settings in your light burn.
Okay. Finish.
So now the laser is selectable.
I select it.
Yeah, but now you click, sorry, you click OK.
Yeah.
There it goes. And now it will home. That's it. Now it's homed.
Oh.
And there it goes.
Let's
We
put these on.
the glasses, yeah.
Yeah. And then check it.
So now the dot is exactly in the center of that one piece of Paduk. I think
should we go for
fire.
it?
Let's go. Fire.
Start.
And there he goes. Point of no return.
Yep.
What is the difference between this laser and the laser you had?
This laser is a lot quicker, and I think it's more precise. The fact that it has air assist also makes it that there's less burning, which makes it easier to clean up later, to brush it out and sand it out.
Yeah.
So it's gonna save me a lot of time.
Because before we made this
Test piece.
engraving, we made some test pieces, and those test pieces came out really perfect. So yeah, I'm really wondering what the end result is going to be.
I hope it's good.
All we can do is wait.
Yep.
I think it's time to take the board off.
Let's take it out. Don't scratch it. Alright. Alright.
Take him out in the open.
Oh, you can really see it in the light. It's perfect.
Wow. Yeah.
That's what I wanted.
This is great. This is a very nice engraving.
Worked like a charm. Yeah, perfect. Love it.
Hey, many thanks.
Thank you.
I think it was a great trade.
It was a very good trade.
So, a real Baron Rouge.
Enjoy.
And for sure, I will.
So will I.
Again, thanks a lot.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks.
And that, my friends, is how I became the proud owner of an original Baron Rouge cutting board. Now, if you want to know more about Robert and his great craftsmanship, well, hit him up on his Instagram. The links are in the description down below, and well, I'm sure he likes it to get an order from a foreign country maybe. So hit him up, and that's it for today. I hope to see you guys later. Bye bye.